Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Multi-Vendor Marketplace PayUmoney Payment Gateway for the WooCommerce platform. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how the PayUmoney Payment Gateway can be used by the customers so as to make the payment at the checkout time for the orders using the PayUmoney option. And basically, this particular payment method also supports the split payment. So what that means is that the customers can now place the orders for the products of two different or three or four different sellers. Then the payment would be equally distributed for within the each of the sellers there according to their product price, and the commission will also be sent out to the web store admin. So basically, the PayUmoney is one of the most trusted payment gateways within India, and that's why we have created this payment gateway for use within the multi-vendor marketplace WooCommerce system by Webkul. So let's get ahead and let's see how the customers can process their orders by making the payment using the PayUmoney payment gateway for the WooCommerce platform. So for that, I'll just take you to the web store front end. So here I'm at the web store front end for the WooCommerce Marketplace PayUmoney Payment Gateway plugin. So I'll be logging into my account first, and thereafter we'll be adding a product into the cart and we'll make a checkout. So under the login, I'll enter my username, password, and I'll be tapping here on the login button. So right now I've logged into my account, as you can see here. Now I'll go to my shop page where all of the products are being listed, and I'll add three products to my cart, and I'll tap here on the checkout button thereafter, and my details are already filled, and here under the payment methods you can see that we have the PayUmoney payment gateway. So we can choose the PayUmoney by selecting that radio button for the PayUmoney, and here the customers can make the direct payment using the PayUmoney, and it accepts all of the cards like the Visa, MasterCard, debit cards, and the net banking of all of the major banks within India itself. And now we just need to tap here on the place order button, and after that you can see a summary here. Pay for the order. So order number is 110, date is this, the total is 65 rupees, and the payment method is PayUmoney. Now from here the customer can basically cancel the order and restore the cart once again, or he can make the payment via PayUmoney using his debit card. So I'll just tap here on the pay via PayUmoney button, and we'll be redirected to the PayUmoney payment gateway, as you can see right now. So here the customer has the option to log into his PayUmoney account and make the payment thereafter, or he can also select the other payment mode, that is by entering the card details. So you can choose the credit or debit cards for making the payment, or the net banking as well. So if I tap here on the credit card or the credit debit card number, then it brings up the section when we need to enter the card details, and we'll have to be making the payment for 65 rupees. So I'll be entering my card number, and you can see the convenience fees also applicable to it. So in total we'll have to pay 66.66 rupees, and this convenience fee is taken by the PayUmoney itself. Now I'll be entering my expiry date from my card, and I'll be entering my CVV number, and you can also convert it to easy EMIs as well. So after that I'll just tap here on the pay button, and it's processing. Now you just need to enter the OTP that is sent on to your registered mobile device, and it will start processing. And that's how the payment is made by the customer himself. And now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you how we can set up the payment gateway for the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So for that I'll just take you to the admin panel now. I'll enter my username, password, and tap the login button to log into my WordPress WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace backend. And here after you successfully install this particular plugin, you just need to navigate through WooCommerce and then settings, and on the settings section we'll have to navigate to the payments tab. That's the third tab from the left, and here we have the PayUmoney at the last. just tap here on the manage button, and that brings up the PayUmoney configuration settings. So you can enable or disable it. So if you check this option, then it will be enabled. Otherwise, if you uncheck that, then the payment method would not be available. You can set the title that is available and visible to the customers at the checkout time. You can set up the description for this as well. So the same description was when I was showing you the workflow at the customer end. Then we have the merchant key, merchant ID, merchant authorization key, and the salt. And lastly, we have the test mode. If you want to make it in the production mode, then you can uncheck that. So the production is the live mode. Otherwise, for the sandbox or the testing mode, you can choose this option as, or you can take this option, and thereafter you just need to tap here on the save changes button. Now the merchant key, merchant ID, authorization, and the salt options can be filled up. So for that, the admin needs to create an account with the PayUmoney, and I've attached the user guide for this particular payment gateway within the description section below. So you can go through each of the steps that are required for receiving all these four options that we have. So within the user guide, you can see how to log into the PU thing, how you can create your account, and how you can access the aggregator profile, how you can view the transactions by tapping on the aggregator transactions. So you can also create a new merchant and a new merchant for the child merchants. Apart from that, you can also search a particular child merchant from the list of child merchants, and the child transactions can also be checked by the web store owner itself. So you can check this section, and you'll know how to get the credentials as well. So that was about the backend configuration. Now let me take you to the web store front end, and let's see the seller configurations for the PayUmoney itself. So I'll just log out from the admin backend panel, and now I'll be logging into my seller account. So for that, I'll just enter my username, password here, and tap on the login button. And then on the dashboard on the left hand side, I just need to navigate to the seller profile. Under the seller profile, we'll have this option to add the merchant ID. So we just need to scroll down, and here you can see that we have one section, that's the PU merchant ID. So the seller just needs to enter his PU merchant ID here after registering himself at the PU itself, and thereafter the amount for his product would then be sent out on this particular PU merchant ID, so as to receive the payments for the orders of their product. And one more thing, let me log into the admin backend panel, and let me show you the orders that have been placed using the PayUmoney itself. So for that, I'll just navigate to the orders. And similarly, the customers can also check the selected payment method for the orders under their own account under the My Orders section. So here we have this particular payment, and here you can see the details of the order number 110, and here you can see that we have the payment via PayUmoney along with the customer's IP address and the number of products that are there within this particular order. And for the customers as well, so they can check the order number along with the rest of the details, like the split amount for the admin commission, and the, so basically this one is for the sellers to check the admin commission and the total that they have received for their product, and the admin commission as well, and the payment method that were used to provide or send the order payment to the customer's merchant ID. And similarly, the customers can also check their orders to check the payment method that they've used for placing the orders. So that was much about the multi-vendor marketplace PayUmoney Payment Gateway for the WooCommerce platform, and I hope it helped you out. And if you still have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.ubs.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.